Okay, so the next ingredient is our scallion, and I'm going to take our 3 scallions, give them a little rinse here. We're going to lop off the tops, right where the roots start. And these scallions need some cleaning up, so we're going to take that, pull it, including the outer membrane, each one. And maybe just give them another quick little rinse. Put them on our cutting board. I still like to chop scallions fine, especially the white parts. Now, if you're a big scallion fan, you could add more scallions and make them about that size and cut. But just for the sake of example. And then discard the ends. Get them off your knife. And plop them into the ramekin. And when the time comes, we'll add that to our stew.